everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me for another video. So today's video is in collaboration with my friends at Lily Silk. They have kindly sent me some pieces to share with you in this video. Lily Silk is a long-term brand collaborator with my channel, and the reason that I continue to do brand collaborations with Lily Silk is because they're a fabulous brand. They have great quality products that I genuinely wear all day, every day. Honestly, some of these pieces like these, you guys have seen me rave about these 1,000 times if you're regulars to my channel. I literally wear these every day. You'll see me wearing these pieces throughout the video, and I will share more details about Lily Silk and the pieces as we go. But for now, let's get straight into the video.
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you. You and me in the cold, thought it'd never be true. Wherever I go, I got you. Oh, I have stopped running, there is no way trying. You better loosen your belt. Drinking hot wine by the fire, don't care of anything else. It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend. I pray it will never end. Do you like to be here too? It's Christmas and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you. Oh, it's such a charm, got you up in my arm. There's nobody at the door. You said I wish this will never be over. Darling, it's time for your present. Come over here. Now it is time to get out in the snow, lighting a light with you. Choirs will sing and the joy bells will ring. Nobody loves you as much as I do. It's a wonderful feeling from floor to the ceiling. It is that time of the year, drinking hot wine by the fire. Here on our own, we got nothing to fear. It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend. Pick up some candy canes and hang a wreath on your door. It's Christmas and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand.
So one of the 3 new pieces that they've sent to me are these beautiful silk pajama sets. Honestly, these are stunning. They are such great quality. They're so super comfortable to wear, and I have literally been living in these. Next thing they sent me, and super suitable for Australian summers, is this silk top. Now this is perfect to wear as nightwear, but it's also lovely enough that you can dress it up to wear it out. Just put a jacket over the top and you're good to go. The third and final piece that I was kindly gifted by Lily Silk is this longer line version, very similar to my absolute favorite crop top bralettes, but it just gives you that little bit of longer extra coverage. This is great for layering if you are in a colder climate, but it is so stinking comfortable. I absolutely love it. You can wear it underneath anything from sweaters to a Lily Silk shirt like I'm wearing here. I wear it underneath my work shirts. It has got just the right amount of support without feeling uncomfortable or restrictive in absolutely any way. Love it. It is one of my new favorite pieces.
Just for you, let's take a walk, and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away.
This silk v-neck camisole is so versatile. The feel of the silk is just luxury. You just have to feel it to believe it, and it is so versatile. You can wear it.
Let me give you a Christmas,
Or
a moment we'll fill with love and joy.
And I'm wearing the little tank underneath, which just gives that little bit of extra support. And it does come in a couple of different colors, so if you're not into black. I've worn this around the house with pajama pants, but it is so versatile. You can just wear it out like for a night out. Some heels, jeans or leggings or a skirt like I showed before, and you are good to go. The quality of this silk, it's just beautiful. You have to feel it to believe it.
Freddie, you can't have that. You cannot have that. I don't want you to have that. Please give it back to me. You can't have that. That's naughty. You're not allowed to have that, Freddie Bear. That's Mummy's scrunchie. I know you love it, but you're not allowed to have it, okay? Good boy. You can have a toy. You can have Evie instead. Do. There you go. Good boy. There's your Evie. Good boy. Evie, yes. Lily Silk Scrunchie, no. Good boy, Freddie Bear. Looking so handsome with your haircut. Oh, your mummy's good, a special boy. Aren't you, little one?
Another thing I really love about Lily Silk products is how low maintenance they are. You might be scared thinking that silk is a high maintenance fabric. I wash mine on a delicate setting in the wash. Usually I use a laundry bag. It's just we have moved twice in the last month and I haven't unpacked mine yet.
So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful.
Getting back to the Christmas decorating, as you can see, I've kept it pretty low-key, simple, pretty minimal this year. I did put the main Christmas tree up earlier than when I was filming this video because I wanted to get it done with the kids when they were with me before they headed off to their dads for the first half of the Christmas holidays. When they were gone, I just continued with all the other little bits and pieces of decorating around the house. I was also just shifting a few things around. As you can see, this shoe cabinet, I was trying to find a way to hide that big ugly power point or telephone connection point that you have to have the modems connected to, but that didn't turn out. So I was just looking for something a little bit more cohesive with the style that I was going for in the living room with those kind of boho type Christmas decorations. So I just popped through this IKEA plant stand that I already had. It kind of matches with the wood on my hat rack as well, and it just makes a little nice place to drop your keys and all your kind of everyday carry when you're coming in and out the door. It's just nice to have somewhere to pop everything so that it keeps everything nice and contained. Then you have a dedicated spot for everything. You're not searching around for your keys every day. And it gives also that little bit of extra nice space to be able to pop a few Christmas decorations. I've been busy with work for the last few weeks, just wrapping everything up before the office shut down for 2 weeks over the Christmas holidays. So I haven't really had the chance to be able to unpack or organize the new place. So I'm looking forward to having these 2 weeks off over the Christmas time, just to be able to get everything that's still packed up in boxes in the garage, unpacked and into the house. And I'm kind of enjoying just doing it slowly and taking my time and just being really selective and considered about what we actually bring up into the house.
I see you, Freddie Bear. I see you there. I see you there.
So guys, that about wraps up today's video. I hope you've enjoyed hanging out with me and decorating our place for Christmas. I did not go overboard. I didn't buy a single new thing for Christmas this year. Just worked with what we had. It makes it a little bit less Christmassy when the boys go to their dads for the first half of the holidays, because there's none of that sort of excitement or build up. So it's just me and Freddie at home until Christmas Eve when they come home. But we're still enjoying having the tree up and having a few decorations around, and definitely looking forward to the next few videos where I'm sharing with you more unpacking, more organizing, and more of our new space. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Have a fabulous day, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye everyone.